Hi everyone and welcome as you join us today on another beautiful winter's walk. I hope you can join us. Please, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, that'd be awesome. Hit that like button, smash that like button for us, and yeah, we're gonna have a great day. Plan is we're going to check out some old mining areas, and we're going to check out a windmill that's here. We came to this area last year, but we never got the chance to check out the windmill, so we decided to come back, check the area out again and check the windmill. So yeah, the weather's actually, as you can see, it's not too bad. It's fresh. We're probably down to about 4 or 5 degrees, but yeah, it's going to be an enjoyable walk. And as you can see, the windmill's over there. It's more of the works that they're doing. I've locked it all up, I think. Is it locked up? No. Yeah, it's padlocked. So still part of the mine. Oh, we've seen this lot. Stone for someone. George Brooks. 1934 to 1998. Friend of the countryside and his fellow men. So what do you reckon this is then?
I'm not quite in the right place. Oh, kind of going slightly up this.
So it's not this then?
Yeah. This way. Not there.
So at this moment in time, I've got no idea what this is, other than it's got a new structure around it to protect it. Alright, so we're on the main path now, folks. So we'll continue down to the windmill.
Yeah, badger.
Badger!
That's it.
It's a badger!
One more. Go up here.
There we go. More of the structure for the mines here. They used to have a sign up, but it looks like the sign's gone now. And the notice board. Interesting, the little tunnel there. Stop there. So we're now in the gorse field. Lots of interesting stuff's happened here. It's heavily worked over the centuries. It's never worth cultivating, so preserved many ancient traces. So this jasmine, you see, was what they'd use. This was the winding horse and the winding machines there, look. So they go around in circles, you see. And they'd walk the horse around in circles. And of course we have different type of winding wheel over here. It's amazing how bumpy it is. Oh, there's a traditional winder and the real hole, which is not real anymore. So back to this board, I'm just reading, it's quite interesting. Extracted first by quarrying and then driving tunnels, adits, Following the slope of the seam, miners then moved in the direction of the downslope and dug shafts, bell pits, into the seam 20 to 30 foot below. They extracted the coal from the shaft base until it became unsafe to continue. Evidence of these activities can be detected in the humps and hollows, which is obviously what we're walking over. Coal was raised in baskets by the means of a hand windlass, but as the depth of coal increased to 100 feet, they had to use the horse winding engines, horse gins, so they were actually known as horse gins, to lift the coal. The engine was built on the actual site of an 18th century gin. Evidence of a number of gin pits can be seen on the gorse field, which is kind of what we're walking around now. So that's why it's all lumpy everywhere. I found a geocache. Physical geocache. So this bench is in commemoration of the memory of Leslie Seward. Always in our hearts, but what I've got to show you is this. I've seen a lot of stones. It's obviously been screwed in, but that is really, really interesting. Lovely that. So the next location that we're walking up to today is the old windmill that's up here. Wow, it's quite spectacular. It's quite well restored, isn't it? It's beautiful. That's a lovely shot, that, Shell. Absolutely beautiful shot. Sorry, I had to put the camera in front because it makes a stunning photo, that does. Wow. Beautifully restored. Beautifully restored, isn't it? This is the Hough Mill. John Griffin bought the land for the windmill from Fringstone and Whitwick Enclosure Commissioners in 1804. It was last used commercially during the First World War. So this is a very interesting bench. Looks like it's made out of part of the original windmill. Very cool is that. And it's got 25 teeth, because we've counted them. So here we have the Hough Mill. Try and stand back and get you a good look at it. Two benches made out of the original bits of metal, I do believe, because they seem to have gear notches. I think that's what you call them, gear notches. So I'll try and take you back and show you the mill. Yeah, what a wonderful old mill. Absolutely fantastic. slowly. He's there, look. Come here, Josh. There, look. See him? On field. Yeah. There's a deer in the field over here. There he goes, coming back, look. Oh, you Jasmine. Yeah. How absolutely amazing. I've just seen a deer. Oh, that was incredible. You know, it's rare in the UK to see a deer out in the wild. So yeah, another experience for the daughter to see a wild deer. Yeah, brilliant. And it's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful today. It's cold, but beautiful. Some lovely old farmhouses around here. So yeah, that's 2 geocaches found and some adventure labs that we're doing in the area. So we've got another cache. Jasmine is going to go and put it back now. We've put a tag in there, dropped the tag off. Should we tuck it away? So this is obviously for farming, you know what this is. This is for keeping cattle in. Obviously for giving its injections or whatever it is you need to do. I don't know what you call it, so anyone that's into farming might know what it's called. But it's quite an old piece of equipment this. It's got thorns all over it. But yeah, it's been stored to put some mesh in, some fencing up actually. But yeah. So we end this one with the 3rd geocache find. Yeah, really enjoyed today. It was a fantastic walkout and yeah, highly recommend the area. So thank you very much and please remember to check out the playlist for more. Thank you and goodbye.